Alright everybody, so I finished another model car, and I did a unboxing of this particular car here. I will leave a link down below, so you could either watch it again, or if you haven't seen it, watch it. This is the new edition of the Revell Porsche 911 Carrera 3.2 Coupe. Either it's Carrera or Carrera. Anyways, you could make fun of me or correct me down below. Hey, I appreciate any comments anybody wants to write. I try to get back to everybody. So if you want to comment, please do comment. So this is the all-new tooling. This is the 2-in-1. It's got the US and Euro spec to it. Basically, that means, oh yeah, US or European versions. It's kind of self-explanatory. But either right-hand driver or left-hand driver. I did mine, the Euro, the right-hand driver, only because I have never... There is no European models in my car collection, so I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, so this was a new kit. Like I said, I did the unboxing. All the parts were clean. They were really nice. The kit went together fairly well. There's a couple issues I'll show you, but let's look at the car here. It's right below here on this nice red towel. So we'll pan down. Alright, everybody. This is a Porsche. That is an open trunk lid. There it goes. I'll explain why that doesn't close later here in a second. But I'm going to take a look at this for you. Everybody, take a look. One of the things I'm really proud of is the gloss shine on it. One of my goals for my modeling is to try to get better showroom shine. And I'm really happy with this one. Underneath. Alright, well, we start underneath here. This is just Rust-Oleum aluminum. The engine is different shades of silvers and aluminums and steel, all tester colors. The engine went together real well. Front suspension, all the pieces go on real well. The pieces almost snap together. I don't want to say it is a snap kit because it most certainly is not, but it goes together real well. The wheels are aluminum. Snap right into the tires very nicely. I really like that. Let's go to the interior. The interior, I wish I would have done a little more work onto, because the door panels and the dashboard actually has a lot of detail on them. See, I put the decals that were accompanied with the kit. Really can't see there. The decals on the dashboard, I should say. But anyways, yeah, the interior, I wish I would have did like a two-tone, because all the lines are nice and crisp. The door panels, the seats, you can see. I mean, they're beautifully done, beautifully engineered. I'm sitting next to a window, and it's hard to see the dashboard. There we go. So I would highly recommend doing more work than I did on mine, because that just... I found, having not done an exotic car or sports car like this, I did follow everything off the instructions. Most of my stuff is muscle cars and race cars. So I just followed the instructions with it and did the colors there. The windows popped into place from the outside. I had a little problem on the back where it curved here. The curve didn't really want the, I should say, the curve of the bubble top here. They didn't want to really meet too well there, and I kind of got a little black paint around the edge there. Was not some of my best work there. The engine here, when you look at the back here, it's got a nice little engine. Now when I want a light, I don't have a light. The engine, you know, small little Porsche engine. I didn't use all the decals. I had some problems with some of the smaller decals. They didn't want to cooperate with me. So I just used the decals that were working for me. So it's got the nice hood here. I kind of black washed it in over there. My black washing's not great, but you know, the more you do it, the better you get at it. The reason why the hood, or yeah, the hood, trunk lid, whatever, doesn't close all the way is because I could not get the interior pan, that's the red lines here, to snap and fit underneath the body properly. That all that red there should not be showing. It should sit up higher. But every time I tried to play with it, I was either breaking something or something wasn't fitting. But if you put it in right, the trunk then closes properly. So because that's not in there, my trunk's not closing properly. So some of the explain that in a second. So let me go to the paint color first here. The paint color is actually Dupe Colors Harvest Gold. It's over silver. I thought that was a cool color. It was a good shading. I really, really like that. The side bumpers here, the black I should say, I'm guessing that's the rubber. You had to hand paint all that, and my hand painting of the side there is not that great. I should have used more tape. So there was a lot of touch-ups in the paint along there, you could see. That is just modeler not having enough experience. The lights went in fairly well. You had two set of lights, obviously one for the American, one for the European version. Those snapped in pretty well. The decals for the Carrera, whatever, license plate there did not want to really go on all that well. I had no problem with these decals. See, that one kind of was running up on itself there. Again, you can see the black marks that are modeling error. Modeler's error, I should say. The lights went in there pretty well. You had to paint the lights. It was all clear plastic, so you painted from the inside. It obviously turned to go yellow. Did the white for the backup lights and the red across the middle there. So that was pretty cool. Over here, where you see the marks there, that is actually glue marks. I painted the car with the side mirrors on, and during the build process, the mirror wanted to break off, and then my glue kind of ran a little there. That side was better. But again, modeling error. So if you're doing it, be careful. These mirrors will break off on you, because they did on me. So if you follow the instructions, it goes together fairly decent. I think everything that was a problem was self-inflicted. Like I said, I really wish that trunk would close properly, but I showed you what happened there, so I'm sure there's ways of doing that. This is a very nice Porsche model. You need a Porsche in your kit collection. You need a Porsche kit. I recommend it. So the gloss coat I got on it is just floor shine. It's got like 10 coats of floor shine on it. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm just experimenting with that on this car. Very happy. It's something I'm going to continue doing. So the Revell Porsche 911 3.2 Coupe. I know there's a convertible one on that they just released too, so that's cool. Yeah, I highly recommend it. Go out and get yourself a couple. Why did I say a couple? Because you can build it a lot of different ways. Highly recommend it. Go get yourself one. Go get yourself two. Hey, I always appreciate everybody watching. I say that every video, but I really do. So, until the next video, I guess I'll see you guys around. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, write me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So I got some more stuff working on in the background here, so I'll have more videos coming along. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you later.